So in a given problem, he is given a 3-phase slip ring induction motor and he is rewounding the winding with a twice the number of turns and 1/3 area of cross section of a copper, and is asking the slip at which the maximum torque occurs for the new arrangement is equal to how many number of times the original value. So that means first we'll see the torque corresponding to the maximum slip, that is nothing but R2 by X2. So whenever you change the length and number of turns area, the resistance will change as well as the reactance is also will change. So if these two values changes, the slip corresponding to the maximum torque also will change. He is asking what is the new value of SM for a different arrangement. Okay, so I'll take the new arrangement, the resistance as R2 dash. So R2 dash equal to how much? Then X2 dash equal to how much? So once you find out those two, SM dash is nothing but R2 dash by X2 dash. So you know SM, you know SM dash. So if you divide these two, you will get the relation between SM dash and SM. So first, resistance. So resistance of any material is rho into L by A. So here I'll take this as R2 dash, this is equal to, this I'll take as R2. So let us say this is the original value. So now he is rewounding with double the number of turns. So whenever the number of turns are double, the length also will be doubled, and the area of cross section became 1/3. It's already given. So that means this is 6 times R2. And what about X2? So we know that X2 is proportional to L2, and also we know that the inductance is proportional to the number of turns square. So that means X2 is proportional to the number of turns square. So X2 dash is equal to X2 into, so initially the number of turns are n, new number of turns are 2n, it's doubled square. So this is equal to 4 times X2. Now SM dash is equal to R2 dash by X2 dash. So this is equal to, R2 dash means 6R2 by 4X2. So this is 3 by 2. R2 by X2 is nothing but SM. So that means 1.5 times the original value of slip corresponding to the maximum torque.